In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Google Meet profile picture. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make sure your new image shows up the next time you join a meeting. First, you'll want to open Google Meet. You can do this by going to the Google Meet website in your browser, or by opening the Google Meet app if you're on a mobile device. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you actually use for meetings, especially if you have more than one account. If you're not signed in, log in with your usual Google credentials so your changes apply to the right profile. Once Google Meet is open and you're on the main screen, look for your profile icon. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. It might appear as a small circular photo if you've set one before, or it could just be a colored circle with your initial inside. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu related to your account. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Manage your Google account. Go ahead and select that. This will open a new page or tab that takes you to your main Google account settings, where you control things like your personal info, security, and data preferences. Your Google Meet profile picture is tied to your overall Google account, which is why we're changing it here rather than only inside Meet. On the Google account page, look for the section called Personal Info. This is usually listed along the left-hand side on desktop or as a tab near the top on mobile. Click on Personal Info to open that area. This section is where Google stores things like your name, birthday, and of course, your profile photo. Now, locate your current profile picture at the top of the personal info section. If you don't have one yet, you'll see a placeholder image or just your initials. Click directly on the profile picture. This will open the profile photo editor where you can choose a new image or replace your existing one. You'll now have a couple of options. You can upload a new image from your device or select an existing photo if Google offers that from your library. To upload, choose the option that lets you browse your computer or phone, then navigate to the folder where your desired photo is stored. A good tip is to pick a clear, well-lit picture where your face is easy to recognize, especially if you use Google Meet for work or school. Once you've found the right image, select it, and you'll usually see a preview. Most of the time, you can crop or reposition the image so it fits nicely inside the circle. Take a moment to adjust it until you're happy with how it looks. When everything is set, apply or confirm the edit. Then, save your changes. Look for a button that clearly indicates saving or confirming the new profile picture and click it. After saving, your new Google Meet profile picture will be linked to your Google account. It may take a minute or two to update across all Google services, but once it does, you'll see your new profile photo whenever you open Google Meet or join a meeting.